Alright, here's the Eken M003. I have set up as a book bomb. So inside there is Velcro, and this is just a book that I took apart. I took the razor blade and pulled out the binding. I took it out from the binding, cut across the edges. This book was 286 pages. Recommend about 350 because the book doesn't close exactly all the way. It's got a little play in it, but it does make it easier to use because if I have anything plugged in from the bottom, any connectors on the bottom, I don't have to worry about not being able to mount it. And this is a regular what you has is a plate holder, flying pretty much anywhere, and it's a good way of holding it in place. I've been able to plug in several items to it. One item I've used that I thought was pretty good was a wireless mouse, and this is actually very generic wireless mouse. Beside it, I'll have there's that Nokia N800 internet tablet. It's my first internet tablet, so I have this one sitting on the sideline, along with the Nokia 770. Both of these are set up to boot from the memory card. An advantage of booting from the memory card is you got better. Memory cards usually a little faster than internal NAND, especially on the newer cards, and unlimited storage space, or not as limited storage space. So I have this in the background also. I was able to use Bluetooth on both of those to verify Bluetooth is working on the Nokia, on the Eken. It's real finicky on position for mounting. Doesn't always like to be, it has a tendency of rotating out of position easily. I can't really say which position I prefer more, so I've used both of them. And what I'm going to do is at least give you an idea of what items I've been able to get to work on it. Here I have a keyboard, and I've been able to use this on it. It's a USB keyboard. I'm also used to using a regular USB mouse, and of course, since you only got one USB port, one USB connection, then I'll put a hub on it. The mouse is kind of gets out of alignment easily. You plug the mouse in, sometimes it'll start pointing the wrong way, so you actually have to use the mouse this way instead of this way to get it to work right. So there's a little bug with the mouse working correctly. Got the mouse plugged in, and I got the keyboard plugged in. Both mouse and keyboard. Mouse and keyboard plugged in, and this is regular. Actually, this is not even a USB 2 hub. I have a USB 2 hub, but I've been playing with this one. It's been working better. There's my mouse, and let's see. Oops, that was me touching the keyboard. Let's go back to the home. This also gives you an idea of reaction time. I'm going to dim the lights in here, make it easier to work with.